Hey, Danny, welcome to my vlog. This is around the house. Well, about an hour and a half ago, I quit on the addition to the lift garage because I wanted to get on this. I looked at the weather report for the next 7 days, and it's going to be raining. So basically, I did the roof is done. Now it's working on the siding. So I needed to get the roof, my garage roof, done. I got the metal here. I'm basically tacking it so I don't have to worry about it coming up. I'll come back in another time to finish screwing them down. But I got them where I need them, and I got them fairly screwed down. I don't really have to worry about too much of anything lifting it up. So, but I feel good about what I got done so far. So you can see the shingles are about done. So, you may want to put strips across, but it's a garage, so I'm not worried. I'm not worried at all about just putting the metal down on top of the old shingles. Now the shingles will stop deteriorating, basically. Next year I'll work on this side. I'm not to where I gotta get a cap. I definitely gotta get a cap. Put a cap across the top. But I'm not worried about this side till next year. Problem is, say the sun comes up from over there, so you got UV rays on this part of the roof almost all day. So I don't know how many year old shingles they got, whether they got 20 year or 25 year, but I've been here 22 years. So I'm figuring there were 25 year shingles, because this side's not bad. It has a couple pieces that are blown off, but as far as deteriorating, because again, this doesn't it gets half the sun that this side gets. Might last me 2 more years, but I don't know. Anyway, all right, so that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch me on the next Around the House.